Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will see how you can add your address in the Google Chrome. Adding your address in Google Chrome gives you an advantage that whenever you visit a website which requires you to address your address, you can simply, with a click, you can enter your address. You don't have to type your address manually and Google Chrome remembers it for you. So it's a great time saver and it's also very less tiring. So let's see how it's done. First, let's open our Google Chrome, and you might have come across sites which ask for your address. Now, if you have not saved your address, you will need to fill each of these forms with your own, and it can be time consuming. So, to counter this, you can simply save your address in the Google Chrome, and Google Chrome will ask you for your permission, and if you allow it, it will automatically fill all of these forms. So let's see how it's done. First, let's click on the three vertical dots present at the corner of your screen. Then go to the settings. Inside settings, you can see the autofill and passwords tab. Click on it and you can see at the bottom the addresses and more. You need to click on this. Here, you need to turn on this toggle which says save and fill addresses, which includes information like phone numbers, email address, and shipping addresses. So if you want this, then you can click on the add button. Now all you need to do is fill out your address once in this form and Google will automatically do it for you from the next time. So let's test it out and fill out some random values. I am giving random values just to check whether this will work or not. Now, once you have filled out all your details, you need to click on the save button. After clicking on the save button, you can see that this has been successfully recorded. Now, if you go to any of the websites which ask for your address, it will automatically give you a prompt to fill out these informations. Let's see. For example, if now I click on this, you can see that it is giving me a prompt to fill out these informations automatically. All I need to do is just simply click on this and see it automatically filled out these fields. Now you have saved your time and also a lot of hard work. So if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.